Hello, lovely listeners, and a huge warm welcome to Talky Talk English. I'm Robbie, and I am absolutely thrilled to be here with you today.
And I'm John. It's so good to have you joining us on this amazing adventure. If you're ready to make learning English fun, easy, and full of smiles, you're in the right place. Why English is your key to daily routine talk.
Today we're going to talk about something truly special. We're going to explore why learning English, even just a little bit, can help you talk about your daily routine, the things you do every single day.
Exactly. Imagine this. You can say, I wake up in the morning, or I drink coffee in English. These are simple sentences, but they're super useful and help you talk about your own life. This is what we call talking about daily life.
Yes, think of English like a new friend that helps you tell you. It's a language that helps. It's a language that helps you express yourself. Let's practice your morning routine.
Now, let's get started with some super easy and fun phrases. We'll say them slowly, and then we want you to repeat them out loud. Don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn.
Our first phrase for the morning is, I wake up. That means you open your eyes in the morning. Simple, right? Let's try it together. I wake up.
Great job! Now, after waking up, maybe you say, I get up. This means you get out of bed. I get up.
Fantastic. And what about something delicious? I drink coffee. Or if you like tea, I drink tea. Let's try. I drink coffee.
Amazing! And one more for the morning. I eat breakfast. Let's practice. I eat breakfast.
Excellent. You just talked about your own morning routine. You said you wake up, get up, drink coffee, and eat breakfast. See? English is already becoming your friend.
Okay, more practice. Your daily activities. Now let's add a few more phrases for daily activities. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll feel.
After breakfast, maybe you say, I go to work. Or if you're a student, I go to school. Let's say together, I go to work. Perfect. Again.
And after work or school, you might say, I go home. Let's practice. I go home.
What do you do at home? Maybe you say, I cook lunch. This means you make food for the noon. Let's try. I cook lunch. I cook lunch.
Then, maybe you want to go to the gym in the afternoon. You say, I go to the gym. Now repeat. I go to the gym.
Or do you want to go out with your friends? You say, I go out with my friends. Let's try. I go out with my friends.
Great! And before you sleep, maybe you like to relax. I watch TV. One more practice. I watch TV. I watch TV.
Fantastic. And finally, at the end of the day, I go to sleep. Let's practice. I go to sleep. I go to sleep.
Amazing! You just talked about a simple daily routine in English. This is a big step. Welcome back. Learning English, especially at level 1, is all about building your confidence. Every new word, every new phrase you learn is like adding a little brick to your English confidence house. Soon your house will be big and strong.
And remember, consistency is key. Just like you wouldn't learn to ride a bike by trying once, you won't become fluent in English overnight. But with consistent listening time to our podcast and a little bit of English conversation practice every day, you will be amazed at your progress.
Our podcast is designed to be your friendly guide. We use clear, simple English, so you can easily understand and repeat. We want to make listening English practice A1 enjoyable, not stressful.
Here's a fun challenge for you this week. Every day, Try to say at least 3 things you do in your routine in English. For example, repeat with me. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I go to work. I go home. I cook lunch. I eat lunch. I go to gym. I go out with my friends. I eat dinner. I watch TV. I go to sleep.
Yes, and try to listen for these words in movies, songs, or even when you're out and about. You'll be surprised how often you hear them. This is part of making listening English practice a natural part of your day.
Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, is a step forward. You are doing great, and we are so proud of you for starting this journey. This English podcast for learning English is here to support you every step of the way.
So to recap our sunny lesson today, English is a superpower that helps you talk about your daily routine, gives you confidence, and connects you to the world. And you started practicing simple sentences about your day right now.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep smiling. You're on your way to amazing things. You can find Level Up Your Life with English on Spotify and all your favorite podcast platforms. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode.
Thank you for joining us today. We can't wait to see you again in our next episode. I suggest you watch this video to learn how to talk about your daily routine better.
Bye for now. Keep leveling up your life with English.